Did you know you can check the history of each cell in a Google Sheet, following back each user's input in it? Well, you can. Let's find out how quickly. So we've got here our Who Stole the Cookie from the Cookie Jar sheet. We want to know who edited the sheet. Let's have a look. So on cell C2, we can click the cell, right click, and click on Show Edit History. So the first one we can see here, Mrs. Yagi-san Adade, and we can trace this all the way back to the original edit. So where it says no more edits, that's where the original edit occurred. Again, you can do that with each cell on the sheet, show edit history, and trace it back. This can be really helpful when you're trying to investigate an issue on your sheet. That's it for checking the cell history in Google Sheets. If you liked the tutorial, hit the like button, and if you want to see more, hit that subscribe. Catch you in the next tutorial.